Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I'm taking Maths of Class 8 lesson number 12 Exponents and Powers, exercise number 12.1 part 3. So in earlier, that is in second part, I have taken the loss of exponent and now I am going to start the first exercise of this lesson, that is exercise number 12.1, and this is the third part in which I am going to take the first question of this exercise. And in this exercise we have to apply the laws of exponents. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1, evaluate. So the question is given 3 raised to the power minus 2. So here it is given, we have to evaluate it. It means we have to find out the answer for 3 raised to the power minus 2. So the solution, 3 raised to the power minus 2 equals to 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2. So 3 raised to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2, as we have the law for it, that is a raised to the power minus 1 equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So I have explained you all the laws earlier also. So when it is given a raised to the power minus m, so here we will consider 3 as a and minus 2 as m. So according to the formula it will become 1 upon a raised to the power m. So that's why we have written here that equals to 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2, which is equals to 3 raised to the power minus 2 equals to 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2, which is equals to 1 upon 3 into 3, that is equals to 1 upon 9. So we know that 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2 means we have to multiply this 3 2 times with itself, as it is given raised to the power 2. Okay, so when the power is given 2 and here the base is 3, that means we have to multiply this 3 with itself 2 times. So here we can write 1 upon 3 into 3, and we know that 3 into 3 is equals to 9. So the answer is 1 upon 9. So always remember one thing, that when we have to evaluate the question, or when it is we have to find out the solution for the exponents and power, that time we want the result in positive only. Okay, then the next second question, minus 4 raised to the power minus 2. So here we have to evaluate it, and the solution is minus 4 raised to the power minus 2 is equals to 1 upon minus 4 raised to the power 2. So here, as I told you earlier also, we want the exponent as positive, and when we get the exponent as positive we will get the result also as a positive. So here we have written 4 raised to the power minus 4 raised to the power minus 2 equals to 1 upon minus 4 raised to the power 2 according to the formula, and the formula is, that is the law of exponent is, a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So here we consider a as minus 4 and minus m as minus 2. So which is become 1 upon minus 4 raised to the power 2. So we can write it as minus 4 raised to the power minus 2 is equals to 1 upon minus 4 raised to the power 2, which is equals to 1 upon minus 4 into minus 4, which is equals to 16. So here, as it is given minus 4 raised to the power 2, it means the base is minus 4 and the exponent is 2. It means we have to multiply this 4 with itself 2 times. So that's why we have written here 1 upon minus 4 into minus 4, which is equals to 1 upon 16, as 4 into 4 is 16 and minus into minus will become plus. So here we got plus 16. Then the third question, that is 1 upon 2 whole raised to the power minus 5. So the solution will be 1 upon 2 whole raised to the power minus 5 equals to 2 upon 1 whole raised to the power 5, as we want the exponent as positive, and we have the formula to make the exponent as positive when the question is given in this form, that is 1 upon a upon b raised to the power minus m equals to b upon a raised to the power m. So we have to write the reciprocal of a by b as b by a, and minus exponent will become plus exponent, that is minus m will become plus m. That's why we have written here 2 upon 1 whole raised to the power 5. So that is 1 upon 2 whole raised to the power minus 5 can be written as 2 upon 1 whole raised to the power 5, and if it is given as a whole raised to the power 5, it means this exponent we have to consider for the numerator as well as for denominator, which can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 1 raised to the power 5. Now we have to multiply 2 with itself 5 times, as the base is given 2 and exponent is given as 5. So that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 1 raised to the power 5 means 1 we have to multiply 5 times with itself. It will become 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. So now 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, and 16 into 2 is 32. And here 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is equals to 1. So no need to write the denominator as a 1, as it will become 32 divided by 1, and 32 divided by 1 is equals to 32 only. So this is how we have to evaluate the questions which are given in the form of exponents and power. So thank you for watching this video. I hope the question number 1 is understood by you. So please like and subscribe to my channel and even share to my channel. Thank you for watching.